Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all gonna be about beauty must-haves from Amazon because there's an amazing sale going on at Amazon. So today I'm gonna speak about few of the must-have products in your makeup stash that is affordable yet super good in quality and performance. So they're gonna be mostly under 500. It can be around 600 or 700 as well, but it is definitely affordable and worth it. So without any further delay, let's get right into the video. I have all of these products right here, so let's get started with the product number one. So the first product is a primer, right? So the first step of makeup is primer, and it is important to just blur your pores or just reduce your skin texture, and it helps in making your makeup last longer. So I'm gonna speak about this Inside Cosmetics primer, which is a 3-in-1 primer. It is so good. It's a silicone based primer, yet it is lightweight. It just helps to blur the pore. It just preps my skin for the makeup steps, and it helps the makeup last longer. It is extremely affordable. It's just for rupees 260 and it is super worth it. So this is my recommendation number one. Next are the foundations. So I have one foundation to speak about today, and that is the FACESCANADA 3-in-1 foundation. So it is the foundation, moisturizer and sunscreen together because it has aloe vera and vitamin C, and it also has SPF of 30, which is something great, right? I have used it today and I'm in the shade Warm Sand, I guess. Yes, I'm in the shade Warm Sand, and it retails for rupees 549 and you get about 25 ml of the product. So it is extremely lightweight. It has a good range of shade. I would say up to my range is the last shade, so you can definitely try out this shade if you're around somewhere around NC45. But if you're deeper than that, I don't think this would work for you. And for those guys, you can definitely try out the Maybelline Fit Me foundation or the Earth Rhythm Max It Go foundation. So both of these are so good. Yeah, but this one is extremely lightweight. It's something like a skin tint, but it works like it provides medium coverage, and it is so good. It does not make my makeup turn cakey. It is so blendable, and yeah, it is long lasting as well. It is definitely worth a try. So the next step of the foundation is concealer, right? So I have two concealer recommendations right here. So one is the LA Girl HD concealer, and the other one is the Revolution Conceal Define concealer. So first let me speak about the LA Girl concealer. So this is an OG concealer of every influencer I have seen in the videos. It's my most favorite as well because the shade range is amazing. The coverage is so good. So basically I'm in the shade Fawn, and this helps. This is my exact skin tone match. It's slightly warmer than my skin tone, but yeah, it helps in just covering out my dark circles, the pigmentation around my mouth and my acne marks. So I use this for concealing the imperfections of my skin, and it is so super good. You have this brush tip applicator which makes the application so easy. It is travel friendly. Yeah, it is something around, I would say, 600 or 650, but it is definitely so good. The next concealer is the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. So this concealer comes in this like a beautiful rose gold cap and a glass bottle. It has a big doe foot applicator. Yeah, it is somewhere around medium size doe foot applicator, and I'm in the shade C10.5. It is a highlighting concealer for me. I would be around somewhere around 12.5 for my exact skin tone match. Yeah, this is a neutral toned shade, and it is so good to highlight my facial features like under my area, on the bridge of my nose, chin and forehead. It is so good. The coverage is absolutely so good. It is easily blendable. Yeah, I guess it's around 500 or 550. Yeah, it is so good and it is definitely worth a try. So one of the most important makeup step in our base makeup is setting the makeup right, correct? So I have a loose powder which I absolutely love. I've been using it from the beginning of when I started using makeup. So basically I've been using it for around 3 to 4 years, and I've emptied 2 to 3 dabbas of these. So it must say it is so good, right? So I am in the shade number 4 medium deep. Yeah, this is the Swiss Beauty loose finishing powder. It has this beautiful golden cap and is a closure with a puff right here, and when you open this, and there's the powder. So it is great for travel purpose as well. Like other loose powders can tend to spill during travel, right? But this doesn't do that, and I absolutely love it. It retails for just rupees 450, and this is so good. It lasts longer, so little goes a long way. So I'm sure you would use at least for 6 months even if you use it daily. Next products are cream blushes and cream highlighters. So if you love cream blushes, I have a recommendation that is under rupees 100, I must say. Yeah, they are so good, and I'm speaking about the Inside Cosmetics cream blush and cream highlighter. So for the cream blush, I have this beautiful dusty rose shade. So this is how the shade looks like. It is extremely pigmented, guys. I will just show you the swatch. Can you see the pigmentation? Just one swipe swatch and it is blendable so easily, just like that. So I've used it today. Yeah, I wore the makeup today afternoon and it's around 8 p.m. now, and the blush stayed put throughout the day. I must say it is so good. Again, coming to the highlighter, I have the shade Moonstone Bliss. This is such a creamy highlighter. Oh, it doesn't have the chunky glitters or nothing. It is so good. Let me just swatch this shade for you. Oh my god, can you look at that swatch? It is so good. It is not too blingy, it is not too subtle. It looks so good on the skin. Yeah, it is amazing. You can also use it as a topper for your eyeshadow, or you can use it as a highlighter. Both are so good. I purchased during same Amazon sale, so I got it under 100. If it is even not under the sale, it would just retail for rupees 110 or 120. It is definitely worth it. If you ask me for a powder blush or a powder highlighter, I don't have a separate product, but have a beautiful makeup kit that I'm gonna share with you now, and it's from the brand Mars Cosmetics. They have the Mars makeup kit, and it is in the variant, I'm not sure, but this makeup kit costs just rupees 299, and they are amazing, guys. So when you open the makeup kit, you have this beautiful 9 shade eyeshadows over here. They're extremely pigmented. They have matte shades and shimmer shades. Yeah, all the basic colors that an Indian skin tone needs are right here. So it is amazing. You can create n number of eye looks with it. And then you have this mirror, and here you have the blush and the highlighter. Again, they are at the right amount of pigmentation. It's not too extremely pigmented or it's not underpigmented, and it is great for like it's versatile for all skin tones, I would say. Yeah, this makeup kit is so worth it. Maybe I can just swatch a highlighter for you. So this is how the highlighter looks like. It is not too blinding. It's a very subtle highlighter, so it's great for anyone who doesn't love blinding highlighters. And coming to this eyeshadow part, let me just show a swatch of a shimmer shade and a matte shade. So first I'm gonna swatch a matte shade. Can you look at that one swipe pigmentation? It is so good, right? And the shimmer shade, oh god, can you look at that shimmer shade? These are so good, right? How can Mars Cosmetics make such good products at a low price? I'm super amazed and I absolutely love it. That's about the face makeup product, guys. Now let's move on to eye makeup products, which are some of my favorites. So first is an eyebrow pencil, right? So again, it's from the brand Mars Cosmetics, and I have their Mars eyebrow pencil with me. It's in the shade black. Yeah, I am wearing it today and it's a perfect black for me. It's not too pitch black and it's not too ashy. It's in the right shade of my hair, so it matches me super perfectly. Yeah, if you are from like medium to deeper skin tone, this shade works perfectly for you. So one side you have this pencil, and the other side you have this spoolie right here, so you can just brush up your eyebrows and just apply it. It is so good. The pigmentation is at the right amount. So let me just swatch it. So can you see it's not extremely pigmented, but it is somewhere in between and it's in the right place for your eyebrows. So these are definitely worth every penny and you can definitely give it a try. Next is a eyeshadow palette. So already we saw a makeup kit with 9 shade eyeshadows, right? Now I have beautiful 16 shade eyeshadow palette. Yeah, it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette and it's gonna be so good if you love colorful eye looks. So here is the Mars Mesmereyes palette. So this palette has beautiful 16 shades to cater all Indian skin tone. Yeah, you have a glitter shade, beautiful metallic shades, shimmer shades, and amazing pigmented matte shades. So these are amazing. They're versatile and it's gonna be so good, and they're extremely pigmented. Again, the pigmentation is almost the same as these, but these metallic are so good. I have used this beautiful light green on my eyes and this particular beautiful raspberry pink on my eyes today. So only these two eyeshadows I've created this eye look. Yeah, I absolutely loved it. Speaking about the price, it is just rupees 249 for 16 shade eyeshadow palette with such an amazing pigmentation and quality. Yeah, there's no much kickback. The blending is also so good. So in all of the boxes that I see for an eyeshadow, it is definitely there. So yeah, it is worth every try. Next for Kajal, eyeliner and mascara. First speaking about the Kajal, one of my most favorite, current favorite Kajal that I'm already picking up like every time I do a makeup look, I just go and pick this Kajal, and that is the Mamaearth Kajal. So it's the black Kajal and I absolutely love it. It's a very classic white packaging. It's for around rupees 299. It is so good. It's a twist up Kajal and this is how it looks like. Maybe I can just swatch it for you right here. Just one swipe. Just one swipe is this amount of pitch black pigmentation. This can be used as a kajal, it can be used as like an everyday eyeliner. It is so good, pitch black, so creamy, it's long lasting and smudge proof. So good, absolutely love it. For eyeliner, I have an eyeliner from Colorbar, which I've been using it for 3 to 4 years now, and it is so good. It retails for around 300 or 350, I'm not sure, but this is the Colorbar waterproof liquid eyeliner. So this is how it looks like with a beautiful metallic cap and a black bottle. The brush applicator is just so good. It's pitch black pigmentation and it's gonna make your winged eyeliner look so beautiful, and it's super easy to draw a winged eyeliner. Let me just show a swatch for you. Can you see that black? Oh my god, it's gonna set a bit quickly. Yeah, so it is amazing and you can just drop it in your makeup stash for now. Now coming to the last part of your eye makeup, which is mascara, right? This mascara that I'm wearing today is so good. Just 2 layers of this mascara is gonna erase the point that you need a false lash kind of a idea. So today I'm just loving this mascara and I'm speaking about the Mamaearth Lash Care Mascara. This is the volumizing mascara. So this is how the wand looks like. Yeah, you get a minimum amount of product, but even though if you get too much of the product, you can just slide it like this and then use it. It's gonna be so good, super voluminous and amazing. This retails for rupees 499. Yeah, for the quality and the performance, the price is super worth it. Now we've come to almost the last part of a makeup, right? Coming to the lipstick. So I have 3 recommendations today. First, let me speak about my most favorite lipstick from my whole makeup stash. That must be this Swiss Beauty HD Matte lipstick. So this is in the shade Brandy Harrington, and I must be speaking about this like more than 3-4 times at least in my YouTube videos, and more than that in my Instagram videos. So that much I love it. It's a beautiful shade, especially for medium to deep skin tones. It looks so good. It's great for like everyday makeup as well. So this is how the shade Brandy Harrington looks like. So this is the shade. It's a beautiful maroonish brown shade. It looks beautiful on deep skin tones. I absolutely love it. Like, it's gonna be my go-to lip shade. So I love deep lip shades and this is one of my most favorite. It's very comfortable on my lips. It's around rupees 250 to 300. Super worth the pay, every penny, and I absolutely love it. Now I have a lipstick which I got to be my favorite because it has 3 shades in one lipstick and it's super long lasting, so good. I am speaking about this Tease 929 lipstick. So this is the 3-in-1 12-hour lipstick. It's the Love Triangle lipstick. Lovely named, right? So you have one shade on this side, the other shade on this side, and if you apply in between right here, you get the 3rd shade. So I don't think I have space. Maybe I can swatch it here. So the first shade looks like this. The second shade looks like this, and the 3rd shade I'll swatch and show you. So these are the 3 shades. So this is the light pink shade, this is the red shade, and this is the a rose shade, I would say. It's creamy, it's extremely pigmented, and it's long lasting. So it is so good, and yeah, it retails somewhere around for rupees 350 or 400. So good. Now the last lipstick option that I have is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's such a beautiful deep pink shade. It looks so beautiful on all skin tones. So if you love like such bright pinks, they have various other shades. I have like beautiful mocha madness kind of a brown shade. They have red shades, nude shades, everything. And I'm speaking about this product, and it retails for rupees 499. It's extremely pigmented, extremely lightweight, guys. I have used more than 100 lipsticks right now for around 3 to 4 years. This is one of the lipstick that is extremely lightweight. I don't even feel like I'm wearing something on my lips. It's that good. It's a matte. It's transfer proof, not completely transfer proof. It slightly transfers, but it fades so evenly even if you are wearing it throughout the day, and I absolutely love it. The pigmentation is top notch, and I am speaking about this House of Makeup Powder Matte Bullet Lipstick. So this is Swipe Light Powder Matte Bullet Lipstick, sorry. And this is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful deep pink shade, and the packaging I absolutely love. It is also super lightweight as the name claims. Let me just swatch the shade. Just one swipe, can you see the pigmentation? Oh my god, that's so good, right? I absolutely love it. Yeah, it's great for even reapplication. My favorite shades are the Mocha Madness and this deep pink. You can also try the other shades. Super worth it. One of my current favorite lipsticks. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Stylefit for more self-care, makeup and fashion content, because I do post more regularly there, so you can definitely check it out. And if you like to watch such long form or shorts, both YouTube videos, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button and the bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So I hope this video was helpful for at least few of you. I'm sure it will be. Yeah, so until next time, bye bye.